Good morning, students. I hope you all are in high spirits. Students, today we'll start our session with something interesting. First of all, you all have to stand up at your place, and if I say 1, then you have to touch your head. If I'll say 2, then you have to clap. If I'll say 3, then you have to touch your knees. And if I'll say 4, and you have to touch your feet. Now, are you ready? Yes. Now we are going to start. Yes. 1. Yes. 4. 3. 2. 3. 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 4. Now stand up. Yes. Take your place. Sit down. I hope you all have enjoyed this exercise. Now children, in our last session, we have started the third chapter of our reader book, Galileo and the Light. Now, today we'll read the chapter. You have to follow me. Okay, shall we start it? Okay. Galileo and the Light. You must have heard of Galileo Galilei, the great Italian mathematician, physicist, inventor, philosopher, and astronomer who not only discovered many details about our solar system but also invented the telescope and the microscope. बेटा, आपने गैलीलियो गैलीलाई के बारे में तो बहुत सुना होगा, है ना? वो एक महान गणितज्ञ, मैथमेटिशियन, जिनको मैथ्स की बहुत नॉलेज होती है, वो थे और आविष्कारक थे. आविष्कारक क्या होता है? इन्वेंटर, जिन्होंने बहुत सारी इन्वेंशंस की होती हैं. मनोवैज्ञानिक, फिलोसोफर, जो हमारे माइंड को पढ़ते हैं, माइंड की स्टडी करते हैं. देन भौतिक विज्ञानी, फिजिसिस्ट, जिनको हमारी फिजिक्स की पूरी नॉलेज होती है. देन खगोल विज्ञानी, जिनको पूरी एस्ट्रोनॉमर जो होते हैं, एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स, जिनको पूरी यूनिवर्स की, एस्ट्रोनॉट की पूरी जो है पूरे यूनिवर्स की जो जिनको नॉलेज होती है, उनको बोलते हैं एस्ट्रोनॉमर. तो उन्होंने ना सिर्फ हमारे सोलर सिस्टम की अधिक से अधिक जानकारियां दी, उन्होंने टेलीस्कोप और माइक्रोस्कोप की भी खोज की. Galileo is most famous for discovering the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons. Galileo जुपिटर प्लैनेट के 4 बड़े मून्स की खोज की, जिसे कि गैलीलियन मून्स भी कहा जाता है. He also discovered sunspots, many new stars, and even named the mountains and seas on our moon. उन्होंने सनस्पॉट्स की खोज की, बहुत से नए स्टार्स और तो और माउंटेन्स और सीज की भी खोज की. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, Galileo was one of the first scientists to openly support the Copernican idea that the sun was at the center of the solar system and that the earth revolved around the sun. गैलीलियो ही ऐसे पहले साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने इस बात का सहयोग किया कि सन ही सोलर सिस्टम का सेंटर है और अर्थ यानी कि पृथ्वी इसके इर्द गिर्द चक्कर लगाती है. गैलीलियो लिव्ड एट अ टाइम व्हेन पीपल बिलीव्ड दैट द अर्थ वाज the center of the universe and that everything, the sun, the planets, the distant stars, everything revolved around the earth. गैलीलियो उस समय के थे जब लोग ये मानते थे कि अर्थ यूनिवर्स यानी ब्रह्मांड के सेंटर में है और सब कुछ जैसे कि सन, प्लैनेट, स्टार्स सब कुछ अर्थ के आसपास चक्कर लगाते हैं. नो वन लाइक्ड द आइडिया दैट वी वर जस्ट अ टाइनी पार्ट ऑफ एन इनफाइनाइट यूनिवर्स. कोई इस बात को नहीं मानता था कि हम एक अनंत ब्रह्मांड, इनफाइनाइट मीन्स अनंत ब्रह्मांड, इनफाइनाइट यूनिवर्स का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा हैं. दैट नॉट ओनली डिड द यूनिवर्स नॉट रिवॉल्व अराउंड अस बट नॉर डिड द सन और द अदर प्लैनेट्स. ना सिर्फ यूनिवर्स ही हमारे इर्द गिर्द चक्कर लगाता है बल्कि सन और प्लैनेट्स भी हमारे आसपास चक्कर लगाते हैं. गैलीलियो's support for the Copernican theory got him into a lot of trouble, but he was persistent until it was proven to be true. गैलीलियो की कॉपरनिकन थ्योरी की सपोर्ट ने उसे मुसीबत में डाल दिया, लेकिन वो तब तक सुदृढ़ रहे, डिटर्मिन्ड रहे, परसिस्टेंट मीन्स दृढ़ रहे, जब तक कि वो सच प्रूव नहीं हो गया. What is not so well known is that Galileo is credited with being the first scientist to try to measure the speed of light. गैलीलियो ही पहले ऐसे साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने की लाइट की स्पीड को मापने की कोशिश की. It's the time for activity. I know you all are well aware of adjectives. Today we will do the activity. For this you have to take 4 bowls. Put the slips related to adjectives in one bowl and label rest of the bowls and as adjectives of number, interrogative adjective and adjective of quality. Now take one slip. What is written? This is tall. Now where we have to put this slip? This is adjective of quality. So we will put this slip on the bowl related to adjective of quality. Now the next slip. Black. Again the same bowl. Okay. Now, who? This is adjective. Which adjective? Interrogative. So, we will put this slip in second bowl. And next one is good. Again, adjective of quality. Brave. Again, adjective of quality. Oh wow, there are so many adjectives of quality. Okay. Now, 1. This is adjective of number. So, we will put it in this bowl. 7. Again, adjective of number. Like this, we will be putting in bowls. So, you have to repeat the same activity at home. Okay? Try this activity at home. Now, it's the time for life skill. Now, children, if you are walking on the road and see a blind man who wants to cross the road, what will you do? A. You will help him to cross the road. B. You will ignore him and go away. Yes, children, now it's time for newspaper. Today we will underline adjectives of number in the newspaper. Take a newspaper or the magazine or the storybook, whatever is available at your home. Now see, here is 21 killed, 17 injured in Assam landslides. Here 21 is adjective of number. Again 17 adjective of number. Now see here, 250 global leaders call for 2.5 million ton aid to tackle COVID emergency. 250 is adjective of number. 2.5 ton dollar is again adjective of number. Now it's a time for cursive writing. Children, today we will do page number 5 of a cursive writing book. Now see how you have to form the letters. See the formation of the letters. O, R, I, double S, A, Odisha. The new name of Odisha is Odisha. O-D-I-S-H-A, Odisha. The next is Ceylon. C-E-Y-L-O-N. Ceylon. Now it is called as Sri, S-R-I-Sri, L-A-N-K-A, Lanka. Burma, B-U-R-M-A, Burma. Myanmar, M-A-Y-A-N-M-A-R, Myanmar. Like this you have to complete the page number 5. Now children, it's a time to say goodbye to you. So before saying that, I want to give you some work. Read this chapter at home. Try to do the activity related to adjective and learn word meanings of this chapter also. Okay? Now, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a happy and nice day.